How to change your avatar in PubG Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your avatar in PubG Mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change our avatar in PubG Mobile, after we launch the game, tap on your avatar from the top left of the screen first. So you can see from the top left, just tap on it. And here you can see your profile avatar again. So again, you have to tap on your profile avatar, and when you do that, you will see it in a bigger picture like this. And since we want to change it, we can just tap on this option on the right hand side that says change avatar. So just tap on that option, and now you can choose any of the other avatar that you own, and after that your changes will be automatically saved. This way you can change avatar in PubG Mobile. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.